and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to the Hampton Inn South by Hilton here in Dayton, Ohio. We're just going to give a short room tour and maybe at the end a little bit of a review. So let's go and check it out. We're going to do a short room tour here. There's the bathroom. We'll take a look at that in a moment. There's a big old mirror here that is actually connected to. You open it up, and it's the closet. The luggage rack. Shelves, ironing board, iron, all the usuals, things. But it's kind of cool. It's the mirror opens up into that. All right, we've got 2 queen-size beds. A nice TV. Microwave, a few drawers, large mini fridge, sheets look clean. Telephone, clock. I guess the Gideons have not been to this particular Hilton. Or maybe someone took the Gideon Bible with them. Mini coffee maker, the coffee, ice bucket, another mirror. Small desk. No drawers on the desk. And a chair in the corner. And the window. Through the window. See what the view is like. We have a back room. As you can see. So just the parking lot and the parking lot of other hotels. But it does look like great weather out there today. There's the bathroom. Soaps and shampoos all set out. Looks nice. Toilet is clean. Oh, I like this towel rack. Look at all those towels rolled up all nicely in the individual spots. Shower with the faucet and everything on the same side as the spigot and the spout. And looks like the shower is clean too, the bathtub. Very nice. They have a nice little fitness center here. It's nothing fancy, but quite adequate. And they have an indoor pool as well. It's not very large, but there's still an indoor pool. Now, if you're a smoker,
On certain parts of the building, they have these smoker poles that you can utilize. And on the main entrances, they have a thing where you can clean off the bottom of your shoes here. Little brush there is intended to clean off the bottom of your shoes.
Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either buy me a coffee or Patreon or even here on YouTube and making a donation or becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.